Gora Anand. And I think Ashok Nichani I already saw, but I see him again. So, my dear friends, it's time when people are very worried about COVID, new waves, and people are worried. Huh? I don't know how many of you are finding everybody left and right. Somebody is getting COVID on the left, somebody is getting COVID on the right. Of course, this is part of life, and we have to learn to deal with it. And it's not that we can ignore it, not that we should become paranoid about it. We have to learn to accept it and move on in life. So, with that note, today the subject, the question that has been projected on the screen is: are we just puppets in this world? Are we just puppets in this world? Some people think that we are just mere puppets. Is it true? People think everything is predestined, that we have nothing to do, that everything is controlled by a divine power, and we are like tick, 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 tick. We just, our life is the life of puppetry, which means it's all a puppet show. We have no choice. Is it true or is it false? Who would like to go? Are we puppets in this puppet show called life? Anybody would like to try?
Hi, Shwar.
Shivoham.
Is Bridget?
Yes,
We
tell
are
me.
puppets. I
You are-
think we are puppets.
So you don't control anything. Everything happens, and you are helpless.
We control a little bit, but not all. Everything is fixed, and in between we can make some choice, but not all.
Okay. So Bridget says yes, we are puppets, and we can do nothing. So who else would like to try?
No, Sarji.
Sudeep Bhargava.
I'll speak after Ashok uncle, sir. You can.
Ashok
Uncle, please carry on.
Nichani.
No, Sarji, Sudeep can go on.
Okay,
No
okay,
problem.
okay, right. Thank you, uncle. Sir, I was before I heard you, sir. I was interpreting this question as a follow-up to yesterday's discussion. That are we seeking for liberation? Because if we don't seek for liberation, we end up becoming a puppet. So I will have 2 point of views to answer your question first. In the interpretation that you gave, God has given us the intellect. So as a computer program, the program is already defined. For a particular input, what will be the output is already defined, but what is the input is in my control. So that is just to add to what Bridget ma'am said, the inputs are in my control. Yes, if I give a particular input, output will come as per the law of karma and the other laws by which we are being guided. So, but inputs are definitely in my control, because that is what my intellect tells me whether I should do something or not. That's one part of it.
No, so therefore, be clear. Therefore, are you puppets or not?
No, we are not a puppet, sir, because we have that decision-making power has been given to us, that what is the karma that you want to do today. That decision lies with me. Whether I want to come for the call or not, that decision lies with me. Now that I'm attending the call, what happens? This is like, fine, that would be the result of the karma. I may get enlightened or I might get bored.
Let us pause a moment.
Yes.
Let us define the question. What is a puppet? A puppet is one who cannot decide what they are doing. A puppet is held by string. The music is playing and the strings are going, and you are a puppet, and you are a puppet that's going as per the puppet show. So are you a puppet or are you not a puppet? The question is very simple. Ashok Nichani, are you a puppet or are you not a puppet? Is this
Shivam,
not a
Sarji.
puppet show?
Shivam.
Shivoham.
Sarji, I agree to Sudeep's points. My points were also intellect and choice. God has given us an intellect and choice to choose whether I use my intellect to become a show of the puppet or use my own intellect to keep away from it.
So Ashok,
Choice
With
and
Ashok.
intellect.
are we puppets in this?
No, Sarji,
Drama.
we are not. No, we are not puppets.
We are not puppets, which means that you can do what you want to do. You're not a puppet.
No, we have a choice.
Good. So we have different views now. Sudeep, so you are with saying we are not puppets or we are puppets?
No, we are not a puppet, sir.
Okay, Bridget says we are puppets. Sudeep says not puppet. Ashok says not puppet. And Bridget is saying, no, no, little puppet, little. Trip. They're not trippy. Trip in French is not little. Okay. Petite, puppet.
Un
Petite.
petit peu, un
Huh?
petit peu, a little bit. We
Mama, what
are
is
a
it?
little bit puppets. Un petit peu.
A little bit. French is a very
A
funny
little
language.
bit.
Little
On est
bit.
juste un petit peu puppet parce que il y a des choses qu'on peut pas faire.
Okay. Ru Mataji, bolo. Are we puppets? Is Kiran Katuria there? Ru Mataji, up hai?
Guruji, pranam. Guruji, pranam.
Pranam.
Those who live in ignorance, they are only puppets. Otherwise, nobody is puppet in this world. For example, King Midas story is there. In that case, the king became greedy and he got the boon. Whatsoever he will touch will turn into gold. Even his food and daughter turned into gold because he lost his intelligence and greed overtook him. So I think if he would have decided, if he has won the greed, then he would not be a puppet. Second, sadhus and saints are telling to people who cannot become the parents, they say, you kill that child and you can become a mother. They are ready to kill the child for their selfish ego. So I think those who live in ignorance are only puppets.
Okay. So you say otherwise people are not puppets, but those who live in ignorance are puppets. But majority people are in ignorance.
What now we are coming to you every day. So this much we know that we have to use our intelligence.
Okay. But otherwise the world are puppets.
No, only ignorant people.
Okay. Ignorant people. Super ignorant people. Not all ignorant people, but super ignorant people. Okay. So who else would like to go? Anybody else? Lakshmi.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Tushar.
Tushar, sir. Yeah, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, I think in this world, everyone is puppet, sir. There are two kinds of puppet. One is the puppet of Maya and the another one is the puppet of divine, sir. Who is the ignorant, he is the puppet of Maya and this Sansar. And the one who is the enlightened, he is the puppet of God, sir, divine. He is the puppet of divine. Everyone is puppet, I think so, in this world.
So the point is this, right? So you say there are two types of puppets.
Yes,
One
sir.
is Maya puppet, one is a puppet of this cosmic illusion, and we
Yes.
are controlled by the cosmic illusion. It's a good analogy that this illusion is making us dance, and we are controlled by the illusion. And one is this puppet of the divine. I would not call this a puppet, but it's called surrender. One
Yes,
person
sir.
surrenders to the divine. So when you surrender to the divine, you also become like a puppet. You're right. How you become like a puppet? Because you let the divine control your life. So okay. So let us look at Lakshmi. Lakshmi's answer.
Shivoham, sir.
Shivoham, tell me, Lakshmi.
We also, we are acting because as our mind says, we will go according to that. It means we are listening, monkey mind.
Come again.
So we are acting according to that.
So you're a puppet of the monkey mind.
Yes, sir. So we are
So
puppets.
my dear. Okay, you are saying you are puppets.
Yes, sir.
So my dear friends, I think we have spoken of this now sufficiently, and we are going back to the primary question: are we just puppets in this world? Now, what people think this world is a show, and we come and we go, but we have no choice. We cannot choose. What they don't realize is that some things we cannot choose. It's karma. Some things are controlled by karma. You cannot choose. It's like you're driving a car. I always like to give this example. You're driving a car. You have the wheel in your hand. You can go forward. You can go back. Right? You can go left. You can go right. Somebody tells you you have got COVID. You can quarantine or you cannot quarantine. Correct? It is your choice. But you can wear a mask or don't wear a mask. Choice is yours. But the point is that when you're driving a car, you can go left, right, fast, slow, forward, backward, but you can't change the road. You can't change the road. The road is already paved. The road is already laid. You can't get down from the car and change the road. The road is going up. The road is going up. If the road is going down, the road is going down. If the road is winding left and right, if the road is swirling, you cannot change the road. Your past karma is the road. Some people, they look at the past karma and they say, we don't have a choice. We are like puppets. No, you're not like a puppet. You are driving the car, and as you're driving the car, you can decide how you want to drive your car. You are not a puppet. However, I liked Tushar's answer very much, that those who are enlightened, they surrender their life like a puppet. I think one of the most beautiful answers came from Tushar. He said, those who are enlightened, they surrender their life. They become an instrument of the divine. That is another puppet. But that is the highest level of being a puppet. I would like to be a puppet. I would like to be that puppet of the divine. I would like the divine to use strings to make me do his will. That should be our ultimate goal, to become a puppet of the divine. But we should not become puppet of Maya. So I would give the credit of today's answers to Tushar. Very beautifully said. I don't know how many of you agree or not, but very beautifully said. He said, I don't know from where he got the answer. It's a divine answer. I mean, I didn't know how to have such a good answer. I'm telling you, I could not give such a good answer that Tushar has given today. And that's why I believe that each one of us has SIP in us, the supreme immortal power. And today, Tushar came forward in that form of the Ruh, the Atma, and was able to give us some beautiful answer. What an answer. I'm still amazed at that answer given by Tushar, saying that either we are a puppet of Maya or we are a puppet of the divine. But let us understand there is something more to this answer. And what is more to this answer is we are not puppets. We are not puppets. So when we let our life get controlled by Maya, that is a choice. We become puppets. And when we let our life become controlled by the divine as an instrument, also it's a choice. Therefore, if you ask the macro question, are we puppets in this world? We are not. We are not puppets, but we choose to become puppets. We choose to be puppet of Maya, or we choose to be the puppet of the divine. Every day, I'm administrator questions. I'm opening up to questions. Every day, we are faced. Just today, some people near me said, we got COVID. So what if you got COVID? Millions of people are getting COVID. Getting COVID doesn't mean you're going to die. And even if it means you're going to die, so what? Everybody has to die. So what's the big deal? At least I heard about 20 people today whom I know getting COVID. Very rare. So many people whom I know, everybody talking of COVID. But COVID, now the COVID has become so mild. Ashok Nichani, is all the people in your house are okay now? Health-wise, they are okay, or anybody is still sick?
No, sure. Yeah, all are fine. Sir,
All have recovered? All have recovered?
God, all recovered.
Okay. Ashok Nichani's house, many people had COVID last week. All have recovered. So, my dear friends, we should not worry. We should know the Ruh. The Ruh, you know, the Ruh. The soul inside is very powerful. The soul inside is divine. We must learn to live with faith and not with fear. So this is the important message I give you as we start COVID. See, finally we all have to die, na? Finally, you cannot escape. You can be. One man was controlled. You are not left his house for 2.5 years because of COVID. And finally, after 2.5 years, he slipped in the bathroom and head fell down, head hit his the wash basin, and he died in his bathroom. If you have to go, you can go in any way. So can we get on to question and answers? I would like to hear your questions, because the goal is enlightenment. The goal is Ananda, Sat Chit Ananda, to be mukt, to be free from this world, this Maya. Administrator, anybody with questions? I'm looking at some interesting questions today. Thank you, Tushar, for your enlightening question. So if there's nobody asking question, I'm going to Jyotri. Jyotri always has an interesting question. He says, if an ignorant person does a sin, is he innocent? If an ignorant person does a sin, is he innocent? He's not innocent. If an ignorant person does a sin, it depends. Let me give you a small example. I don't know if I've told you all this American court case. What happened in the American court case? Have I told you? In the American court case, there was a villager who was careless, and he was driving his truck, and he was rowing, and suddenly his truck went, idiot man, his truck lost control. He didn't know how to drive his truck, and he went over somebody. So I think the judge gave him some 10 years jail because he killed somebody. Then there was an intelligent doctor. Very, very intelligent doctor. And by mistake, he wrote a wrong prescription and the person died. So he was the next case. So what he thought, the judge gave the villager 10 years jail for killing somebody by mistake. The judge will also give me 10 years jail for killing somebody by wrong medicine. The judge gave him 25 years jail. He told, why, Your Honor? Just now you gave somebody 10 years jail, and now you're giving me 25 years jail. The judge told him that man was an ignorant villager. You are a qualified doctor. You should not have done this. That man did it out of his innocence or ignorance. So Jyotri, sin is sin. The law of karma will evaluate our sin based on its parameters, which only karma understands. You and me cannot decide how law of karma evaluates parameters. But sin is sin. The only person who does not get a sin is who is unaware of his sin. If a person is mentally retarded, he doesn't know. It's like saying, if I'm walking and there are 100 cockroaches, and I stamp over all the 100 cockroaches and I walk, it's a sin or not a sin? Ashok Chotwani, sin or not a sin? It's a sin. But suppose there was a blind man and he's walking over 100 cockroaches. Is a sin or not a sin? Why it's not a sin? Because he's blind. He's blind. How can it be a sin? God has not given him eyes. Therefore, it's not a sin. So I hope, Jyotri, you have the answer. Next question, please. I would prefer live questions. There are many people who are talking, giving comments and questions, but live questions help. Anybody with a live question on life, on enlightenment, on happiness, on misery, on problems, on fear? There are so many questions.
गुरुजी
बोलिए. प्रणाम.
जी, जब डेली आपको सुनते हैं तो सब समझ आया है. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि लगता है कि नहीं समझ आया. आपकी बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, भजन है, लगता है सब हम समझ आता है. पर जब लाइफ में सब होता है तब हमें क्यों नहीं हम वो बातें याद रख सकते ऑल द टाइम?
Because in life, when it happens, your mind is coming and overtaking your knowledge and your realization. The mind, you are letting the mind be a master. The mind is the biggest enemy. Now, for example, you're talking to me, you're saying when you're talking to me, everything is fine, and you know realization, you know SIP, God is in everybody, all is fine. The minute you go outside and your servant does some mistake, you say, "Tum badmash sali ka kush addi sali tum." You give all bad words to servant. I'm just giving an example, right? Not you. Anybody would, have you seen people giving gali to servants? Have you seen?
Yes.
They give gali to servants. I can't bear it. They say tum andhi hai, just because the servant dropped something or made a mistake. Kya tum andhi hai? Tumhara bheja nahi hai? Tumhare ko pagal hai tum? I've heard all kinds of gali to servants. Have you heard? Or only I have heard? Or have you
Yes.
heard?
I have seen people beating also, not only words. I have seen people beating also.
So kya baat hai ye? What we are beating? Okay, why we beat servants? You're telling like this. Let's take that example, Rumataji. So sometimes we lose control. Who do we lose control to? So the problem is this. The problem is in losing control to BME, the body, mind, and ego. When we lose control to our senses, Mataji, we are lost. When we lose control to our, suppose we have a craving, we have a deep craving for somebody. That deep craving can make us sin. We can rob, we can lie. How many of us tell lies? Why do we tell lie? Because of a craving. Suppose we have craving for something, then we tell a lie. Is it good to tell lie? It's not good to tell lie, but we tell lies. Later we may be regret it. But what I'm trying to make you understand, the three things that problems that starts. There are many problems. I'm giving you few. Senses. The senses. See, without senses, there can be no realization. Have you heard this quote I've written?
Yes.
Without senses, there can be no realization. And with senses,
We will immerse in sansar.
no, without senses, there can be no realization. You need senses. Without senses, there can be no realization. But with senses, there can be no enlightenment. With senses, there can be no, as long as your senses are alive, there can be no enlightenment. Because the senses are all the time taking us in the opposite direction. The body, the mind is wandering. The mind is going here and there. The ego says I and you. We become separate. In reality, we are not. We are the same soul. We are the same ruh. Ruh means soul. That ruh, soul, atma is same in one and all. If we realize this, no, Rumataji, then our life will be. See, we all want peace. We all want BLP, right? Bliss, love, and peace. The new thing I've created in the last few days. We all want bliss, happiness. We want love. Love means we want their good relationships. We want to love everybody, not just love between boyfriend and girlfriend. We want there to be love. We want compassion. We want kindness with everybody. And we want peace. Om Shanti Om. We want tranquility. We want peace. We don't want stress. We don't want misery. We don't want anxiety. How to reach that state? And how to reach that state? Not in this call. In this call, everything is good. After this call, how do you control your life? Do you spend time in?
Guruji, always.
Huh?
Always.
How do
Always.
you do it? How do you do it? Always.
वही तो आपसे बात कर रहे हैं कि भाई गड़बड़ होती है, हो जाती है.
Being in the state of Sat Chit Anand. How do you remain in that state of Sat Chit Anand? You remain in that state of Anand when there is Chit of Sat. How do you get the Chit of Sat? Because if there is no Chit of Sat, there can be no Ananda. How can you get Chit of Sat? Chit of Sat, those who are new to this call. Chit of Sat means consciousness of the truth. How can you remain in that state of truth consciousness? Because if you remain in Sat Chit, you will have Ananda. Ananda is the ultimate goal. We all want Ananda. Who doesn't want Ananda? Even if you want gold and diamond, you want for Ananda. Even if you want to marry the most beautiful girl in the world, it is for Ananda. Even if you want to become prime minister, it is for Ananda. Everybody wants Ananda. Everybody wants with a name, fame, wealth, money, love, romance. Everything you want because of Ananda. But you cannot get Ananda unless there is Sat Chit. Got it? I hope you got it. The answer.
Thank you.
Please try to be in Sat Chit. Whenever you are wanting the state of bliss, Ananda, please remember Sat Chit Anand. Sat Chit Anand. Sat Chit Anand. Okay, next question.
Here, Shivam here.
Shivam Gautam.
Here now, I think that now I am living like a puppet, sir. So, so I have no option about it. So I don't know when I'll be enlightened and I'll be non-puppets.
You are first of all saying wrong. You are saying, I am right now living as a puppet. You are living as a puppet because you are agreeing to live as a puppet. Nobody can force you to be a puppet. Nobody can force you. So you have to be clear. I
Yeah,
don't.
but
No.
there's a suggestion, but the suggestion is like that, no?
That's the other thing I was going to talk in this call. Some people think we are puppets of our duties. Some people think we are puppets of our responsibilities. Some people think we are puppets of our family members. Some people think we are puppets of somebody, some friend. You know how you can be a puppet, Gautam? In English, when I was giving lectures, when I was not air, I used to tell people, you can lose your freedom. You lose your freedom to fences, farces, faces, forces. You can lose your freedom to what? Fences, farces, faces, forces. Fence is some limitation that you create. Fences. Farces means it is a lie, a myth, a superstition. Fences, farces, faces, some people. You lose your freedom to somebody's face. And forces. You lose your freedom by somebody's force. So don't forget. Samita, have I told this before or it's new to you? It's new? So please remember this. Please remember this. We should not lose our freedom to fences, farces, faces, forces. I'm not sure if this is part of our content. I'm not sure whether this is part of our active content, but we should make it. Because sometimes we lose our freedom either to one of these four. And we have to not let our freedom go to fences. Fences means limitation. Farces means superstitions. Faces means people. And forces means there are some people pushing us. Faces is just that responsibility, the duty. No, Gautam, you brought about a very important aspect of this discussion. So Gautam, we are not puppets. I told very clearly, we are not puppets, but Tushar said that you can be a two type of puppet. You can become puppet of Maya, or you can become puppet of God, of Sip. What do you want to be? You can surrender to Maya, or you can surrender to Sip. What do you want to surrender to? It's your choice.
I want to be a puppet of enlightenment.
Yes. So then don't say you are a puppet. Please change your philosophy. Please change your paradigm. Please change your perspective. You are not a puppet. You are not a puppet, and you should not be a puppet, and you should never be a puppet. And when you want to be an instrument of the divine, you surrender to the divine. Even then you are not a puppet, but you beg, Sip. Oh, my Sip, my divine Sip, I bow down to you. Please make me your puppet. Please make me your instrument. Even then you're not a puppet, you become an instrument of the divine. Okay, we have another one or two questions. Thank you. Another one or two questions, interesting questions today, but one or two more will make it a good call. Come on, who wants to ask?
Shivam, Mayor.
Shivam, Rekha, bolo.
You say that God is not in the mandir, God is in the andar.
Yeah.
Andar. So you also say that God is in everything. Kan kan mein Bhagwan hai. Then God is in the statue of the Murti also, na, in the temple.
Of course. When we say God is not in mandir, God is in andar, it does not really mean that's like that. What it means is when प्रभु अंदर है तो क्यों जाता है मंदिर? हम ऐसे बोलते हैं. जब प्रभु है अंदर तो क्यों जाता है मंदिर? We say like that. But प्रभु कण कण में है. God is in every molecule. That is the reality. See, if I want to see God, I have to see in you, na. I can't see God in Hawa, no. I have to see God in some form. So I see God. How do I see God nowadays? I see God as the Ruh. I see God as the soul. For me, it is very divine. It's a very divine feeling for me to see God in the soul, in the ruh. It's a beautiful feeling because I have been praying to God for 40 years in the statue. That does not mean I stopped. I still go to the temple statue every day, but I don't pray to Shiva. I pray through Shiva. I don't pray to Shiva after 40 years of praying to T-O, Shiva. I don't pray to T-O. I pray through T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through Shiva, to the Ruh, to the live soul. So I pray to the divine soul, the Atma. Okay, got it?
And one more thing here. So sip in us and sip in the statue is different.
It's very different. Sip in you is the soul. Sip in the statue is not the soul. So, for very clear to understand very clearly, the sip in you and me is a soul which is born and which will die. The statue has got molecules of power which has got no birth and death. It is a lesser power, the same power, but lesser powerful. Okay, I hope you understand. A
And
bigger,
then what about
Bolo?
and then what about non-living things? The sip is there in non-living things also, na? So how much power than non-living things?
Just now I explained to you, there are two types of powers. In the living things, there's a higher power called soul, which is born and which dies. In the non-living thing, there's a lower power. The power is there. Now, in living things, the human being has the highest power. The dog will have less power. The tree will have even less power. In the living creatures also, there's different power of the soul, not the same power of the soul. Just like if you buy battery, small battery, medium-sized battery, big-sized battery, same power or different power?
Different power.
Because it's more powerful.
Different power.
Yeah, so like that. Okay. Yes, do we have any more questions?
I got it. And one more thing here, actually, I was late today. That's why I didn't understand this puppet. I didn't. What is that puppet? What is that matter? I didn't.
So you asked
no,
me
because there was no net
if you're
in
late,
my
you contact me personally. You contact me personally and you listen to Facebook. It's available on Facebook.
I'll explain you.
Okay. Who else wants to ask last question for today?
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes, Tushar.
Sir, sir, I think that the people like you in this world are the real sip, and the people like us who want to seek the enlightenment are trying to become the instrument of people like you, sir. Like I think the people like you in this world are the real sip. They are trying to do the work of God, sir. They are trying to make us enlightened. So I want to say that I want to
Tushar.
become the puppet of the people like you, sir.
Very good. So let me cover both your points. First of all, you said people like you are real SIP and people like us are trying to be no, that is wrong. We are all SIP. You are also SIP. I am also SIP. We are all SIP. Atmatre also a SIP. Mohan Valrani also is SIP. Hitkari also is SIP. And Chotwani also is SIP. Sudeep, Bhargava, Samita, whoever I can see on the screen, all are SIP. Tushar, the problem is some of us don't realize we are SIP. Some of us don't realize. We are all the Atma. We are all the Ruh. But how many of us realize we are the Ruh? So it's not that you are not, but we don't realize what we are. So we have to realize. Point number one. Point number two, any of you in this call can become what we call a person who is the ambassador. You can become, I'm starting a new thing from today. So I'm spending 3 minutes. It's called life coach. Any of you can become a life coach. Tushar, you can become a life coach. Hitkari can become a life coach. And I will give you instruments to help teach people. So if Girish wants 100 gold rings. I will send Girish 100 gold rings. He has to give to 100 different people to explain to them it is not a ring, it is gold. I will send each of you who wants to become a life coach. I can send to Bridget, it may be in Canada, but I would like to send to each one of you ideas, tools, which can make you a life coach. So you will become a life coach to help people. It's called ELC. ELC means Enlightenment Life Coach. You have to become an Enlightenment Life Coach, and AIR will give you the support. The AIR Institute of Realization, called AIR, we will give you the support to become an instrument of the divine. Because like even Dasi Budrani said that day, Dasi Budrani said, people don't know the meaning of enlightenment. So Dasi said, I want to tell a few friends, but Dasi said, I was at the doctor and nobody understands the meaning of enlightenment. Yes, it's true. People don't understand the meaning of enlightenment because so many people are confusing us with so many other stories which are not enlightenment. The goal of life is realization. The goal of realization means what? Realization means overcoming ignorance, realizing the truth, replacing the myth or the fairy tales. For example, everybody thinks it's my birthday. Everybody sings happy birthday to you. Though that is not true. We were born 9 months before. When will we realize this? We were born 9 months before. So you become a life coach. You go and ask somebody. You said, wish somebody happy birthday. Then you give them a book and you tell them, were you born today? They'll say yes. So that means yesterday you were dead. Oh, no, I was alive. Then why you're saying today's birthday? Make them think. Make people ask, investigate, realize the truth. Make people question the religion. Make people question, one day I will go to heaven. Which heaven you will go? After you die, who will go to heaven? So Tushar, you are SIP, Tushar. And if you want to start this work from today, you can start from today. Write to us. We will send you all instruments. We will send you books. If somebody wants books, we'll send you books. Somebody wants some items, we will send you. How can you become a life coach? How can you become an enlightenment life coach under the banner of AIR? AIR will help you. AIR will guide you. But you have to go. Suppose Gautam said, I'm meeting customers. Gautam can give customers some product which makes them think. Then you become an instrument of the divine. This is what is this called? Anybody tells me what this is called? What I'm talking, it's got a word. Anybody knows what this word is called?
Karma Yoga.
Anybody?
Karma Yogi, sir.
Very good. Very good. Tushar, second namaskars to you. It is called a Karma Yogi. Tushar today has got SIP speaking to him. Today, for the second time, Tushar gave the answer. He said such a person is called a Karma Yogi. A Karma Yogi is one who's always in yoga. A Karma Yogi is one who is dedicated his life to be an instrument doing the work of the will divine. So if any of you wants to become an enlightenment life coach and to talk to people in your free time, in part-time, you don't have to give up don't say, sir, I cannot give up my job. Huh? If any of you wants to become a life coach, we will supply you all the items you need to help people to become a life coach. Do come back to us. And if not today, then tomorrow in the call, you can also discuss it. I bow down to you. Thank you, Tushar, and all the SIP in each one of you. I bow down to you. Shivoham.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.